Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to earn money from Pinterest in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner with no followers, no website, and no prior experience. Pinterest has evolved into a powerful visual search engine where users actively look for ideas, products, and solutions, which means the intent to buy is already there. That's exactly why Pinterest is one of the best platforms for long-term and passive income in 2026. Let's start with the foundation. The first thing you need is a Pinterest business account. This is completely free and gives you access to analytics, trends, and better visibility. Once your account is set up, choose one clear niche. This is extremely important. Pinterest favors accounts that focus on one topic. Popular and profitable niches include personal finance, side hustles, health and fitness, beauty, home decor, fashion, travel, food, and digital products. Pick a niche that has both demand and monetization potential. Next, optimize your profile. Your username and bio should include keywords related to your niche. Think about what people would search for to find your content. Pinterest SEO matters a lot in 2026. Write a short but clear bio explaining exactly what value you provide. After that, create boards related to your niche. Each board should focus on a specific subtopic. Use keyword-rich titles and descriptions so Pinterest understands what your content is about. Now let's talk about content creation. Pinterest works best with vertical pins using a 2:3 ratio. Your pins should be clean, simple, and easy to understand at a glance. Use bold text, readable fonts, and high-quality images. Tools like Canva make this very easy, even if you have no design skills. Each pin should solve a problem, spark curiosity, or promise a clear benefit. Now, let's get into the actual ways to make money. The first and beginner-friendly method is affiliate marketing. This means you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, Share a Sale, or individual brand programs. Create pins that promote a helpful resource or product, then link them to a blog post, landing page, or approved affiliate link. When someone clicks and buys, you earn money. The second method is selling digital products. This is one of the most profitable strategies on Pinterest in 2026. Digital products include ebooks, planners, templates, journals, printables, presets, checklists, and online courses. The advantage is that you create the product once and sell it unlimited times. You can use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website to host the product. Pinterest is perfect for driving traffic to these pages consistently. The third method is blogging. You create a blog in your niche and write helpful articles that answer specific questions. Then you create pins for each article and post them on Pinterest. Your blog can be monetized through display ads, affiliate links, sponsored posts, and selling your own products. Pinterest traffic lasts much longer than social media traffic, which makes blogging a powerful long-term income strategy. The fourth method is offering services. If you have a skill like graphic design, writing, social media management, coaching, or consulting, you can use Pinterest to attract clients. Create pins that highlight your expertise and link them to a booking page or portfolio. Pinterest users often search for solutions, which makes it a great platform for service-based businesses. The fifth method is brand partnerships. Once your Pinterest account grows and you get consistent traffic, brands may pay you to promote their products. This usually happens after you build authority in your niche. Sponsored pins can become a steady income stream if your audience matches the brand's target market. Now let's talk about posting strategy. Consistency is more important than volume. Posting 1 to 3 pins per day is enough. You can repurpose the same content by creating multiple pin designs with different titles and images. Pinterest loves fresh pins, which means new designs, not just reposting the same image. Focus on quality over quantity. Pinterest SEO is critical. Always use keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, board names, and image text. You can find keywords by typing into Pinterest search and using the suggested phrases. Also, check Pinterest trends to see what's popular. Avoid keyword stuffing and write natural, helpful descriptions. Analytics play a huge role in growth. Regularly check which pins are performing well. Look at impressions, clicks, and saves. When you find a pin that performs well, create more content around that topic. Pinterest rewards content that keeps users engaged on the platform. Another important factor is patience. Pinterest is not instant like other platforms. It usually takes 3 to 6 months to see strong results. Many people quit too early because they don't see immediate traffic, but once a pin starts ranking, it can bring traffic and sales for months or even years without extra effort. Also, make sure your landing pages load fast and look good on mobile, because most Pinterest users are on mobile devices. A slow or confusing page will reduce conversions, even if you get a lot of clicks. To maximize results, focus on solving real problems. Think about what your target audience struggles with and create content that offers clear solutions. The more value you provide, the more trust you build, and the more money you can earn. In 2026, Pinterest is still one of the best platforms for passive income because content has a long lifespan. If you stay consistent, follow SEO best practices, and use smart monetization strategies, you can turn Pinterest into a reliable income source. With the right niche, quality pins, and patience, earning money from Pinterest is absolutely achievable, even as a beginner. Subscribe the channel for more videos.